Hey friends, if you wish to unmute your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Simply click on the system tray. You'll notice a cross symbol next to the unmute volume option. Simply click on this. Also select this option here. Scroll down and make sure that the volume for different applications in the volume mixer is set to the correct one. Other than this, you can right click on the start button and select settings. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select sound. There are two options here. Okay, one is for input and one is for output. Now when we say mute, it is always the output which is considered to be muted. So just check that the volume should be correct. Try to pull it up. Even if it is mute, when you pull up the volume, it will unmute it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.